using the processor, find the 7 fruits of that. So then to solve this by using the certain processor, you can use long division method, but it's difficult, so you can use the factorization method, also is difficult. So the good way is called a prime factor. So check if this it has 7th perfect square. So how to check this? So the first of all, check this 63. When you take this number, check the number ending by 63. When you multiply those number ending by 63, it means that begin to divide by 3, divided by number ending 7, divided by the number ending to 9. When you check the number ending to 3, we get the decimal. Ending to 7 also, can you take 7? So by using the calculator, we get there is a certain decimal also. 9 is also certain decimal. We take the number ending by 7. So take, for example, 47. So this is accurate, okay? So we take 5, 0, 6, 6, 2, 3, 1, 2, 0, 4, 6, 3. So divide by 47. So by using a calculator, we can get 1, 0, also 7, 7, 9, 2, 1, 5, 3, 2, 2, 9. So also when we divide by 7, we get also 2, 2, 9, 3, 4, 5, 0, 0, 7. So also because it is ended by 7, you get also this. So we get 4, 8, 7, 9, 6, 8, 1. 47 also. We get 0, 1, 0, 3, 8, 2, 3. Also divided by 47, we get 2, 2, 0, 9. So this is the square root of 47. So 47, 47. So this by a prime factor, this is equal 1. So you get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So it means that this 6, 6, 2, 3, 1, 2, 0, 4, 6, 3 is equal 47 power 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7. So then the square root of 5, 0, 6, 6, 2, 3, 1, 2, 0, 4, 6, 3, this is equal 7. So this is the same to 5, 0, 6, 6, 2, 3, 1, 2, 0, 4, 6, 3 power 1 over 7. So remember that this is equal to that. So then this is equal 47 power 7. Then times 1 over or power 1 over 7. This is equal 47 power 7 times 1 over 7. Simplify this and that. So this is equal 47. So the square root of that is equal 47. This is the roots of this equation. This answer is equal 47. So thank you for watching this.